All right, Michael, the storms that we saw earlier were so crazy. Lou was saying 50-mile-per-hour winds in some places.
Yeah, I mean, they were very intense, and we had a lot of rain. I mean, we're looking at close to 2 inches per hour. Luckily, it only lasted for 30 minutes in most cases. But we had 3/4 of an inch here, and then some of the other areas, almost an inch of rain. And those are some of the areas that got hit twice now. So there are 2 waves of it. The first one was very intense earlier, and then the second one was a shorter clip that just moved through not too long ago in the last 45 minutes. So if you look outside right now, temperature-wise, you're going to see, well, the magic number is 75. There's a lot of 75s all the way around, except for Quantico sitting at 80 and Colonial Beach at 81 degrees. But as we put it in motion, we're going to see temperatures go down into the mid-60s. But more importantly is really our lowest time period is going to be kind of closer to midday tomorrow, where we see 65 degrees, and then we're going to come up a little bit more into the low 70s, and then by tomorrow night you can see all that colder air just making its way from west to east. So we're going to get down into the 50s by tomorrow night. The good thing is a lot of the sweat that you've had the last couple of days is gone. We're looking at our dew points dropping from 70s. It's already in the upper 60s, going down to 60 tomorrow, and then virtually non-existent for Wednesday and Thursday. Nice crisp air. When you get the winds and the cool weather out of the northwest, you just get that dry, comfortable feeling out there. So for tonight, just some of those lingering storms. The last of the thunderstorms have moved through. We're still looking at those humid conditions. And then tomorrow we've got the rain right on the backside of the cold front. It's going to be kind of a mid-morning into the very early part of the afternoon. And then the high pressure on the backside of it is what's going to clear us out and give us that beautiful weather. So if we look at the trend over the next couple of days or so, tomorrow's going to be cool at 73. And then we're going to be sitting at 76 on Wednesday. So it's a gorgeous day to get on out. Even Thursday's not too bad at 80, and then the heat and the humidity starts to build back up as we approach the mid-80s by the end of the week. So taking a look at our satellite and radar, this is the Tropical Storm Claudette moving out to the northeast, so it's not anything we need to worry about, but these are some of the storms that have moved their way through. We've got some light showers on the back end, and then you can see that cold front. That's what's going to swing through tomorrow morning, bringing some of that rain. That's that green that you see right there. And then the high pressure is going to move on down with all that cool air and just give us at least a comfortable couple of days. Now, if you look at rainfall-wise, there's areas that didn't really get any. Fredericksburg, 0. Quantico, Culpeper, Warrenton. So most of it was towards the northern parts, Leesburg and Winchester, Middleburg, and just right north of Chantilly. So as we put our futurecast into motion, we can see that front coming through. We've got the showers on the back side. Then that high pressure moves into place on Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to be a very sunny, enjoyable day. Then the low pressure kind of starts riding up a little bit, maybe bring some clouds late on Thursday. But Thursday overall, you can see is pretty nice as well with no precipitation around and mostly sunny skies. Now tomorrow morning, 64 degrees. We've got some of those real light rain showers early, more of a steadier rain by mid-morning, dropping in temperatures to 62 degrees. And then we also have at 9 a.m. 63. Later in the afternoon, we'll be at 72, and we should see the sun pop out right before sunset. Taking a look at 72 over here in Warrenton, rain again once more in the morning, and then heading around into Manassas, Waldorf, 74, Fredericksburg, 74 as well. Now the 7-day forecast is how it shapes up. We've got that cooler weather, beautiful Wednesday and Thursday, warming up to 85 on Friday. Next chance is late Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday with some scattered showers, mid-80s, and that's your 7-day forecast.